Morning, good afternoon, Your Honor. Fran Fine, bar number 25, present on behalf of the plaintiff, Chris Horodesky.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Trevor Creel, bar number 11943, here on behalf of the defendant, Amber Johnson. Along with me is Mary Steele, our case manager.
Where is Ms. Johnson?
She is actually on her way right now. I think she got some mixed signals as to whether or not she needed to be at this hearing this afternoon. We indicated that she needed to be here if she wanted to object to us requesting to withdraw. So she is apparently en route. So
You received the counter motion?
I did receive the counter motion, and the issue with that is, my understanding is she already brought this motion previously in February and brought an OST to have that motion heard at an earlier date, and that OST was denied for that particular motion. So her counter motion is essentially the exact same thing that she requested in her original motion, which was filed on February 8th. And she's obviously attached a copy of that motion, labeled it a counter motion. But my understanding is that the OST for that motion was already denied, so I wouldn't want that to be heard today. I'd want it to be heard on March 9th, which is the original date, which the court obviously indicated it would be heard.
Except it was denied as a result of the fact the court had no knowledge that Dr. Polini wasn't involved, and had no knowledge that the other side was going to be withdrawing, and had no knowledge that Amber hadn't been complying with orders. And therefore, we had to file our motion, and the court was unaware of that.
That's
now
not true at all. It's February 2nd. You had a conference call with Ms. Molnar from my office. You were on the conference call with Dr. Baglini. You knew exactly what the situation was regarding his report and whether or not my client was going to show up.
The court didn't know.
You were not a part of that conference call, but it's indicated in her motion, which was filed 6 days later. So to suggest that the court wasn't aware that anything had taken place and these conversations hadn't taken place is incorrect.
The court was not aware.
All right, well, hold on. What I want to do is my law clerk is bringing down the open arms letters that I want the two of you to have before we start arguing all these things. I want Ms. Johnson to be here as well. So if you can step back, we'll take care of a couple of the CMCs while we're waiting for the
Very good.
defendant to finalize the